Good morning, everybody. A very happy Republic Day to all of you.
To you, ma'am.
These are the festivals where every year we celebrate, but every year we have more enthusiasm, more excitement, and we are so refreshed and we think that it's a new thing coming up. And it is a miracle, that we are celebrating the same thing every year and we have that zeal in ourselves, in our hearts, that for the nation we are doing this. It is not enough just to celebrate this Republic Day. As you all know, the Republic Day is being celebrated where the Constitution was formed, and Dr. B.R. Ambedkar has put up so much efforts to make it more workable, more practical, and making the principles to run the Democratic Republic of India. So it is not enough to celebrate this day. We need to have that passion in ourselves to contribute to our nation. It is not enough that we just think about it. We have to add actions in our daily routine, that what is to be done to contribute towards our nation. Now the question arises, like a small student, like a small child, or maybe some of the elder ones in our senior sections, you may ask me a question, ma'am, what can I do as a good citizen? So each and every step of life has a contribution towards the nation, whether you are a very small child or whether you are a grown-up adult. The contribution starts by your entering the school, because once you are in the lap of your mother, that's the responsibility of a mother to groom you. But once you come to the school, that's the responsibility of a teacher to groom the student in a way that he or she becomes a perfect citizen who will contribute in the development and nation building. So now the question you are going to ask me, what can I do? So the small kids, like, they have to really listen to the teachers, what they do, what they are telling you, you have to obey them, because their efforts are to make you a good human being, to make you a good citizen, and they are preparing you like a mold, like a clay mold, and molding into a good citizen. Their efforts should not go to a waste. So you should listen to your teachers as the small kids. So are you going to listen to your teachers every day, what they say? Kids? Very nice, very nice, very nice. Congratulations, teachers, that they have that awareness and they are ready to work with you. And the senior ones, like the small responsibilities what you can handle during the day in your school. Like once you are in the class, make yourself more disciplined person, listen to your teachers, obey the instructions given by the teachers, save your electricity. When you are going out of your room, be a responsible citizen, that I will save my electricity and that will save my country's resources. When I am throwing the garbage or a trash, I have to take care, like my school should be clean and I have to make it clean. Once the flowers and the trees are there, you have to maintain them, work for them, so that we create good environment in our community, in our vicinity. So these are small things what you can contribute to the nation building. If every student of India, every citizen of India, if he thinks that way, that becomes the best country. It is the step towards that. So be ready for that and contribute, and think always in your actions like, I am going to be a good citizen and I want to be a good patriot person. मैं देशभक्त बनना चाहता हूँ. और देशभक्त सिर्फ नारे लगाने से देशभक्ति नहीं आती है. एक्शन में लाइए अपने गुड efforts को. So that makes a good person, a good human being, and a passionate and patriot Indian citizen. So that is what I am looking forward from the teachers as well, that you groom these young kids into the personalities where they can become good citizens and contribute to the nation building. So thank you very much for this, and I'm looking forward for these events and the wonderful performances today. I am really happy that in such short span of time and very less time for preparation, even then the performance was good. Thank you for teachers who are involved into that. Thank you everybody. And once again, happy Public Day. Jai Hind. I want more loudly. Jai Hind. Jai Hind. Jai Hind. Thank you.